Hey everyone, and welcome back. Need to track leads and customers, but don't want to pay for a fancy CRM? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple but powerful CRM using just Asana's free plan. First, create a new project called Sales Pipeline or Customer CRM. Inside, create sections for your pipeline stages. Use simple stages like new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and closed won. Now, each lead or company becomes a task. The task name is the contact's name or company. Use Asana's custom fields to add your CRM data. Add a field for email, one for company name, and a drop-down field for status with options like hot, warm, cold. You can even add a number field for deal value. Switch to the board view to see your pipeline visually, just like a Kanban board. Drag and drop tasks between stages as you move leads through your process. To log interactions, use comments on the task. Every call or email you have with that lead can be recorded right there. And that's it. You've just created a functional, visual CRM to track all your customer relationships for if you build your own Asana CRM. Let me know how many deals you're tracking in the comments. See you in the next one.